the cars we'll be watching closely in 2026, the automotive world is heating up. And 2026 promises a wave of new models, some long-awaited, others completely unexpected. As the industry gears up, the team at Car and Driver is already anticipating the vehicles that will dominate headlines and, hopefully, deliver on their potential. This isn't just about cars arriving at dealerships. It's about the excitement of seeing concepts evolve into reality, rumors confirmed or debunked, and surprises unveiled. Here's a breakdown of the models generating the most buzz. The powerhouse, 2027 Ram TRX, for those who crave raw, unapologetic power. The 2027 Ram TRX is a standout. Building on the success of its predecessor, this truck isn't about groundbreaking innovation, but about delivering a visceral driving experience. With a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 churning out 777 horsepower, the TRX is designed to dominate both on and off-road. It may be a bit over the top, but for those seeking pure, unadulterated fun, it's hard to beat. The TRX isn't about subtlety, it's about making a statement. The Disruptor, 2027 Slate Truck. The Slate Truck, backed by Jeff Bezos, is aiming to shake up the electric pickup market with a radical approach. Extreme customization. Priced around $25,000, the base model is a blank canvas, designed to be modified to the owner's exact specifications. The question remains whether this pint-sized EV, with its limited range, under 250 miles, can capture a significant market share. However, its potential as a modern-day hot rod rear-wheel drive, low center of gravity, and easily modifiable is undeniably intriguing. If it delivers on fun at its price point, it could redefine accessible electric vehicles. The successor, 2027 Toyota GR-GT. Toyota's GR-GT is positioned as the spiritual successor to the legendary Lexus LFA. This front-engine, rear-drive supercar represents a return to high-performance engineering, developed alongside a GT3 race car. Powered by a twin-turbocharged V8, it aims to capture the essence of its predecessor, while carving its own niche in the halo car segment. The GR-GT's potential lies in Toyota's commitment to pushing boundaries, making it a must-watch for enthusiasts. The contender, 2026 Genesis GMR001 Hypercar. Genesis Magma Racing is entering the endurance racing arena with the GMR001 Hypercar, marking the brand's aggressive push into the highest echelons of motorsport. Built on an ORECA chassis with a twin-turbo V8, the car has already undergone extensive testing, including 4,971 miles at Circuit de Barcelona Catalunya. The team boasts a formidable driver lineup, featuring Le Mans winners and rising stars, signaling Genesis's long-term commitment to competition. Whether it can challenge established manufacturers remains to be seen, but its debut in the FIA World Endurance Championship is a bold statement. The mainstream favorite, 2027 Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride has been a consistent top performer in the three-row SUV segment. The second-generation model is ditching the V6 in favor of a Turbo 4 and adding a hybrid option, mirroring the successful Hyundai Palisade hybrid. The key question is whether these changes will maintain the Telluride's dominance in a competitive market. Its spring arrival at dealerships will be closely watched by buyers seeking a reliable, spacious, and well-equipped SUV. The performance upgrade. 2027 Ford Mustang GT500. Ford is gearing up to unleash a new high-performance Mustang, likely replacing the Shelby GT500 designation. The successor is expected to inherit the 5.2-liter Predator V8 from the track-focused GTD, offering substantial power with a more street-friendly setup. This Mustang is poised to deliver aggressive performance without the extreme price tag of its track-only sibling. The redemption arc. 2027 Nissan Z NISMO manual. The Nissan Z had a rough start in a crowded sports car market, but the NISMO variant aims to correct course. The biggest improvement, a manual transmission, addressing a key complaint from enthusiasts. The goal is to reignite interest in the Z, leveraging its refined performance and aggressive styling. If the NISMO delivers on its promise, it could finally give the Z the attention it deserves. Conclusion. 2026 will be a pivotal year for the automotive industry. These models represent a mix of raw power, disruptive innovation, and refined performance. Whether they live up to the hype remains to be seen, but the anticipation is already building. The next few months will be defined by which of these cars not only arrive at dealerships, but truly capture the imagination of drivers worldwide.